In this video, I want to talk about how you can use eToro. So once you've signed up and you've made an account, what you can do is you can deposit some funds or you can switch to a virtual. So it will say switch to virtual down here if you want to have a virtual, which is a demo account. Then here you can go to discover and you can search for anything that you want to invest in. So in this case, I'll just choose stocks and I'll just select Amazon. Then once you're on the chart right here, what you can do is you can press trade and you can now buy shares of Amazon. So in this case, let's say you want to buy 1,000 worth. Now keep in mind, if the market is closed, you'll have to wait until the market opens. But now the order is received and then it will do the order as soon as the market is opened. Under your portfolio, you will be able to see everything that you have bought and you can close your positions in here if you want to sell. So let's say you want to sell, press on close, and then you can close all or close specific ones. If you have multiple, then you can select the one that you want to close. Now, if you only want to close a part of it, so let me just select this, close specific one, then select the position. And what you can do is you can press close trade. Let me just take another one here. So close only part of it, and then you can select how much you want to close for. So you can see I have 9,600 in this, and let's say I only want to close 1,000 of it, so I have 8,600 left. You can just do this and close the trade. Now, if you want to copy people, you head to the copy trader, and you can find people in here that you want to copy. You can withdraw funds here, and you can set everything up in the settings right here. So this is basically how eToro works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.